Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I just did a video on this, part one, called cut order because it was all over the board. And then I started thinking if you watched it, when I was trying to delete some of these circles, I was getting some of his lines. So, and he actually has his lines in a separate folder. So it's called cut line. So I guess he calls these kiss cuts. So maybe it's just marking them and not cutting all the way through. So a couple of things. You can take all these and not show the lines by taking away the eyeball and putting the eyeball back. But the safer way to delete these circles or ellipses without deleting the line is you can take your curve, actually hold down your shift key, and it selected all of them. And then go right here and lock them. So now, no matter what you do, you can't delete your squares. That could be very helpful. Now you can unlock them from under object and lock, but you can't select them like that. And you can always unlock them from here and then see what happens if I don't have them tagged as locked. So think about that next time. It's so easy. Open up Windows, Dockers, Objects, and grab one of these lines to find out where it is. And see and you could do them individually by holding down the shift, but you could also go to the very top and it'll select the shift key. Basically, let me make sure I'm at the bottom. So I'm going to select that one, hold down the shift, and it selects them all. Go up here and I can take them away, or I can lock them. Pretty cool. Hope that helped a little bit someday, and thank you for watching.